Welcome to my channel, Food by Yolanda. Today we'll be making a quick, healthy oat pancake. One cup of whole oats, 2 bananas, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to grind up half of my whole oats because, as you can see, my grinder is half of a cup. So let's grind it and just give it a shake so in between. Okay, here's the first batch is done. Okay, take your second off and then give it a good grind. The consistency doesn't have to be fine. Yeah, I'm just checking the consistency. You will still feel feels like a breadcrumb mix, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be fine. I'm adding in my baking powder, a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm going to give it a good mix. Okay, just to combine the dry ingredients. I'm gonna get my bananas ready. I'm peeling my first banana. Okay, and then the second one. And remember, you're gonna have a sweeter mix if the banana is nice and ripe. Okay, I'm gonna give it a nice mash. Just give it a nice good mash, mash, and there we go, it's done. Okay, I'm going to crack in 1 egg. Okay, there's a second egg. I'm going to crack it in the mix. And then the teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is only for flavor, it's optional. Okay, and now you're going to have to mix it all together. Give it a good mix. Mix until you don't see any more of the egg. Okay, add the wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, which is your grinded oats or oat flour, and then you're gonna give it a good mix just until you don't see any flour anymore. Don't over mix it. And now you're gonna add in your melted butter. Just don't burn your hands because it's gonna be hot. Just give it a good mix until all the butter is well incorporated. And then I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of oil to my pan. The pan is just on a medium-high heat. Okay, I'm gonna add in half a tablespoon of my pancake mix. You can make it however big or small you want. I think that's big enough for me. Okay, yeah. As soon as you see bubbles on top, you can just check it, but that's a perfect way to know you're gonna have to flip your pancake. And then that takes about 2 minutes, and then the second side takes less time. And there we're done. Happy eating! Until next time, enjoy!